Simple choices can change lives. The little things you do while driving can keep you safe or cause a car crash that may be fatal or result in injuries like whiplash, broken ribs, and concussions. Public health professor Steve Thygerson offers advice on 5 different ways to prevent serious car crashes. When going through intersections, you must remember 3 things. Do not accelerate. Do not test your luck with yellow lights. And do not attempt unprotected left-handed turns. Don't assume the other drivers around you are as good of a driver as you. Drive defensively and keep your distance. You're more likely to get into a car crash when you're speeding. The faster you go, the more serious the impact and injury. So, always follow the speed limit. Do not make abrupt lane changes and avoid overcorrecting. You must take precautions seriously. Always wear your seatbelt and rid yourself of distractions. It's time to treat car crashes as a public health concern and to make the simple decisions that prevent severe consequences so you can return home with a smile.